Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Tiana Michelle here. As you can see, my kids' room is a mess, and as you can tell from the title, we will be cleaning this mess up. So if you're interested in seeing that, stay tuned. It has been 103 days since I posted a video on this channel, and the last video that I did post was about me cleaning my kids' room. And here I am again cleaning the kids' disaster of a room. Even though I try to make them clean up, or I do have them clean up, they just don't clean up the way that I do. I'm going to be doing a deep clean on their room. We're also going to be getting rid of the bunk bed. Truthfully, my kids do not sleep in their beds. As you can see, they use it as a junk pile. They store things in the bed, but they don't actually sleep in it. So I'm just going to get rid of it. It is broken, as you can see. One of the rails at the very top is broken off, and at the bottom the rail is broken, but that doesn't keep it from standing in place. I'm just going to get rid of it because it's just taking up space that they can use to play in the room. And truthfully, that's all they do. My oldest son does sleep here, obviously. That's why you see the bigger bunk bed there, but the little kids do not sleep in their bed at all. So we're going to be getting rid of this bunk bed today, and we're going to be getting them a smaller frame of a bed that'll give them more room to play in here. So right now I'm just removing everything from the bunk bed. I do need to get new mattresses, but I'll get those once we move. I don't want to get anything new right now, except the frame that I got, obviously, because I have to give them something to sleep on if they do decide to sleep here or take a nap. But so yeah, I'm not going to get rid of the mattresses today, and there will be some stains. There will be stains, so I don't need you guys commenting on, oh, the bed needs to be clean, da 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 da. We're going to get rid of the bunk bed. We're going to get rid of the mattresses. So I'm taking everything off the bunk beds. I like to put things in piles. As you can see, I'm removing a lot of toys, junk. They even have some food in here, and I tell them constantly, do not eat in your room, do not drink in your room, even if it's water. Do not eat and drink in the rooms. But of course they don't listen, so here I am removing all of this trash. They do have tons of toys. I did get rid of a lot of toys in this video, a lot of stuffed animals as well. Christmas is approaching, so I wanted to get rid of some stuff before I brought in new stuff, but they still have a lot of stuff remaining. So I've removed everything from the beds, and right now I'm just kind of organizing the toys, getting rid of some stuff that's broken, stuff that they don't use. As you can see, I'm emptying out this bag here. My middle son was in the hospital for 2.5 weeks, so with him being in a children's hospital for 2.5 weeks, he accumulated a lot of toys. He had about 5 boxes of Legos that he brought home with him, a lot of action figures, some stuffed animals. So I'm emptying out those bags, as you can see. And then I also like to organize their toys in storage bins so that it's easier for them or me to clean up their room, put the toys in specific bins, and put them on the shelf. So far they've been able to keep the room clean. It's only been a week though, so we'll see how that goes, but the storage bins do help them organize their toys. So as you can see, I got rid of a big pile of toys or of trash, and I'm just sweeping everything into a pile and organizing some stuff on the shelf.
Like I'm better off with you.
Okay, so right now I am cleaning up my oldest son's area. He knows how to clean a room. He knows how I expect the room to be clean, and I told him that I was not going to clean this area, but I gave in and I cleaned it anyway, just to give him a little bit of a fresh start. And I saw a lot of things that I did not want to see: food wrappers, water bottles, juice bottles, a little bit of everything over there. So I really had to get in and clean over there. And I told him my expectations of the next time I had to come in here and clean up, or if it ever got to this point again. There was so much trash on the floor, it was unbelievable. But here I am sweeping up everything over here in his area. I did not fold or put any of his clothes away. That was his duty. And I also did not dust his area. The only thing I did was sweep up everything that was over there. He was responsible for organizing and dusting his desk area. Now I'm just sweeping up all the trash that was on the floor and putting it into this bag, and then I'm going to organize the storage bins on the shelf. The shelf was purchased from Walmart. It was $80, and the storage bins were purchased from a little bit of everywhere, mainly Target, but some of them from Walmart as well.
Up in the clouds, I can see the whole world now. Breathtaking world, can't believe my eyes. Up in the sky, I can see the whole world tonight. 'Cause you make me feel like I wanna get lost.
This is what the area looked like before we took down the bunk beds. The bunk bed was fairly easy to remove. It took about 20 minutes. And now I'm going to put together this frame that I purchased from Amazon. Well, I started to put it together, but my son volunteered to put it together for me. And I think it took him all of maybe 30 minutes to put it together. It did come with a lot of pieces, but it was not difficult to put it together. And as you can see there, my daughter has to be in the camera at some point.
Fight it, can't deny it. I'm under your spell. Just like magic, won't forget this for the rest of my life. Up in the clouds, I can see the whole world now. Breathtaking world, can't believe my eyes. Up in the sky, I can see the whole world tonight. 'Cause you make me feel like I wanna get lost in your paradise. keep hoping you'll come around, drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all night. You're my only lifeline.
Okay, so now that we have the frame together, I'm putting both of the mattresses on the frame. It doesn't really need a box spring, but I chose to keep both of the mattresses because I don't have anywhere to store it right now. My storage is completely full. Alright, so I'm putting this box spring cover on the mattress. I got this off of Amazon also. And then I'm going to put the other mattress on top of this one and decorate the bed.
Sing for me, darling, it's been quiet for a day now. Can't bear the silence inside my own head. I keep on hoping somehow we can make this alright. Just keep on trying. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around, drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all night. You're my only lifeline. Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting. Might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all night. You're my only lifeline.
Here's the before of the room, very junky, a little bit of a disaster, and then here's the after, much cleaner, much more organized, and much more space for them to play. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Hopefully it's not 103 days.